This battle isn't new. It's been here since the start of mankind, and we can read about it in Genesis chapter 3, where humanity's fall started in the Garden of Eden when Eve was tempted by a whispered lie from the enemy. A lie meant to create doubt and separation from God. And one of the devil's most effective weapons is deception, disguising himself as God's voice. In 2 Corinthians 11, verse 14, it says, Satan masquerades himself as an angel of light. He twists the truth just enough to confuse us, making his voice sound like wisdom or even like the Holy Spirit. That's why it's sometimes hard to tell what's really from God and what's not.